Before we start, answer this question in the comments. Would you rather pay a small amount every month, or risk paying a huge bill all at once when something goes wrong? Most people pay for insurance every month, but very few people actually understand how insurance works. In today's video, I'll explain insurance in the simplest way possible. Even if you're a complete beginner, insurance is a financial safety net. It protects you from big financial losses by paying a small amount regularly. Here's a simple example. Imagine you suddenly need hospital treatment, and the total bill is $50,000. Most people cannot afford that. But if you have health insurance, you might pay $300 per month, and the insurance company covers most of the medical cost. So instead of losing all your savings, insurance helps you survive financially. In short, small payment today, big protection tomorrow. That's insurance. Let's understand how insurance actually works. There are 4 basic terms you must know. Key Cap 1 Premium, the amount you pay monthly or yearly for insurance. Example, $100 per month. Key Cap 2 Policy, the legal contract between you and the insurance company. It explains what is covered, what is not covered. Key Cap 3 Risk Pool. This is the heart of insurance. Imagine 1,000 people paying $100 each. That becomes $100,000 in one pool. If one person has an accident, money from that pool is used to help them. Key Cap 4 Claim. When something bad happens and you ask the insurance company to pay, that request is called a claim. This system allows everyone to share risk. Now let's talk about the most common types of insurance. Hospital health insurance covers medical expenses. Backhand index pointing right. Who needs it? Everyone. Medical bills are expensive in the USA, UK, and Canada. Red Heart Life Insurance provides money to your family if you pass away. Backhand index pointing right. Who needs it? People with family, kids, financial dependence. Automobile auto insurance covers car accidents and damages. Backhand index pointing right. Who needs it? Anyone who owns or drives a car. In the United States, it's legally required. House home insurance protects your house from damage, fire, or theft. Backhand index pointing right. Who needs it? Homeowners and mortgage holders. Insurance is important because life is unpredictable. Here's why insurance matters. White heavy check mark. Financial security protects your savings from unexpected losses. White heavy check mark. Peace of mind. You sleep better knowing you're protected. White heavy check mark. Family protection. Your loved ones won't suffer financially. White heavy check mark. Emergency survival. Medical emergencies won't destroy your future. Remember this line. Insurance doesn't stop problems. It stops financial disaster. Let's clear some common myths. Crossmark insurance is a waste of money. Heavy checkmark reality. It saves you from massive losses. Crossmark I'm young. I don't need insurance. Heavy checkmark reality. Accidents don't check your age. Crossmark insurance companies never pay. Heavy checkmark reality. They pay if you understand your policy. Education is the key. Let's quickly recap. Insurance is financial protection. It works by sharing risk. It protects your money and family. Backhand index pointing right. In the next video, I'll explain life insurance versus health insurance, which one you really need. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it.